What you say, people? Back with a bang. You want more money. What steps have you taken to get more money? You want to save. What have you cut to reach those goals? You want to travel more. Constantly finding reasons not to go. Better yet, you want a beach body. Have you even stepped foot in the gym yet? Go and get what you want. So many people tell me they want more money. Go and get more money. It's pretty simple. I mean, unless you have, a real restriction, like, maybe a medical condition or, a massive family to feed, we all got the same 24 hours. We've all got opportunities. If you really have a skill set and you master it, only time will tell before you actually break through. You don't have the resources, use your skill set. Eventually you're going to get the resources. You don't have the opportunity, keep working on your skills. Eventually the right opportunity will come. And that goes for anything. You want to be a YouTuber, you want to be a singer, you want to trade stocks, you want to, do real estate, you want to just be a businessman and purely buy and sell things, you want to flip things. It doesn't matter what you're talking about. Only time will tell before a skill set brings you through. That's if you have a skill set. If you want that money, it's out there. It's there for the taking. It's up to you to go and get it. If you want to start a business, start it. You might not know everything at first. You're going to have to hustle hard. Work in, different bursts and different spurts. But eventually it's going to pay off. Success, the growth is like this. The chart, it's going to start off like this. But eventually, with time, it goes like that. It's not just going to go like that from the off. No, you're going to have this stagnation. But eventually you're going to grow. And that's if you keep working, stick to your task, learn your craft, master your craft, and keep working. Networking, word of mouth, certain things are going to push you through. People are going to notice you. Opportunities will come, and if you take them, grab them with both hands, and you're going to see just exactly what you can do. But if you do want more money, take steps to get more money. If you really do want to save, like I talked about last week, saving like 10,000 for the rest of the year, there are steps you need to take, but you need to cut out things. Nails, shopping, eating out, buying clothes, paying too much for, certain things. There are things you're going to have to cut out from your lifestyle, from, lower on your expenses. If you really do want to travel, move, go. Like you guys know right now, I'm on vacation, I'm on holiday. I'm traveling. That's why I've not even been making a lot of videos, but it's lovely. There's a big wide world, there's so much to see. There's no point staying in your house, staying in your hometown your whole life. No point. And if you really do want a beach body, yes, this is summer, it's summer 19, go in the gym. Get in the gym. The best thing for me is, I've not had time to make these videos, recently, but I've been in the gym every single day. Maybe in the last, 2 weeks, I'd say. 1, 2, possibly 2 days of rest. Every other day, every morning, in the gym, working hard. The money, I've been investing recently, and it's paying off. I made an investment last Monday. I already got a return of 20%. So, that's what? 10 days? Not even, today's Tuesday. That's 8 days. Amazing. But the money is there if you want it. If you do your research, use YouTube, use Google, use the internet, use whatever. You have the resources there. But it's up to you to go get it, guys. I've got a watch brand. If you want a watch brand, or you want something like this, you want to find something to sell, contact me, let me know. But check out timeyowatches.com, link in the description. If you want more money, sign up to our affiliate program. Anyway, guys, there's so many more ways to make money. Check out my channel for more videos, guys. I've got money to making. See you tomorrow for another video. Peace.